27 3/4. Well, welcome to Dagdagger Outdoors today, Monday, June 29th. The rain, wind, the weather's just been horrible. We've probably got 80 millimeters of rain, lots of wind. There's a little bit of break in it today, so we're going to get out and try and get on some walleye. So anyway, stay tuned. Let's see what we can do. And just remember, you can't catch fish from your couch. Peace. Got it. Beauty. First one of the day is a gooder. Oh, yeah, baby. Keep him in the net here, Walleye. All right, first one of the day is a little bit of a doozy. Nice one. Nice one to start today. What do we got here? Probably 28. $27 3/4. All right, 27 and a half, we'll call it. See ya. Woo! Yeah, baby. Love it. Well, what a start. Baby. This Tungsten Moon Eye, this color, it's kind of what, parrot, popular color, and the Drip Swimmer, a 3-inch natural perch. She's a beauty. Been working wonders for me. Oh, that's exciting. Biker. Figured that was. Whoa. Hot. Well, sometimes you gotta get a pike. We got a good one on here. Holy. Dinah. Might be my biggest walleye ever if I can get him in the net. Holy smokes. Oh my lord. This is a doozy. Oh. Ow. Beauty. Beauty, baby. What do we got? 30? 30 and a half. He's got a thing for 30 and a halfers. Yeah, little baby. Whoo. Got a little cut there. Yeah. Wow. Man, been a long time in between fish, but 30 and a half on the board. Another 30. Wow. This is some fun. Little gaffer. Little gaff. Like a nice eater. Nice eater. Nice eater. But I'm not eating them. Oh, dang. Oh well. Voila. There's a few of them in here. A lot of little walleyes right in here. Hiker. Second one today. Oh, that was not dumb. That was dumb. That was very, very dumb. Well, that's it for today. It's getting hot. Gonna head in for a bit. Maybe I'll come back out tonight. Anyway, as you can see in the video, a 30 and a half and a 27 and a half and a bunch of eaters and a couple pike and one lost hook. Anyway, we'll be back out in a couple days. It'll get sparky tomorrow. Gonna rain a whole bunch again. So yeah, that was a fun day. My goal was to catch one big one and I caught two. So yeah, so just remember, you can't catch fish from your couch. Peace.
I thought time would take the edge off clean, but it sharpens everything between. Now I'm standing in the wreckage we made, counting splinters in the plan.